Alright, this is Mama Cindy 59 Gluten-Free Kitchen. I won't take up too much of your time. I want to show you how I make gluten-free glazed chicken with gluten-free ingredients only. But before I do that, I want to show you how I coat my chicken so that all the ingredients will stick to my chicken. So first, I use the egg. You don't have to use the egg. Everyone can use what feels. I have a trash can here, so everyone can use what feels comfortable to them. So basically, I add an egg, gluten-free oil, just a small drop. All right. I'm only doing one chicken wing to show you how I do it, how I make it. So I'm blending the oil and the egg together. The oil helps improve the egg thickness so that it can coat the chicken. But you don't have to use egg. You can use whatever feels comfortable for you and whatever is good for you. So this is the result of the egg and oil. And this is already seasoned, so that's why you're not going to see me add seasoning. But this was left over from last night. I decided to show some people what I do. So I would coat. Oh, I forgot my black gloves. That's okay. I'm not feeding anybody else. But okay, so once you do that, it will coat really good. So you let it sit for a moment so it can really coat the chicken good. So once that happens, let me wipe my hands because I didn't put on my gloves, which is a no-no, but it's okay because I'm just cooking for me. So once you take that step, then you let your chicken cook up until it's considerably done. Give a minute, take a minute. So now we're going to do the sauce, the gluten-free sauce that will work. First, we'll add this. Okay, fine. I'm being distracted, so I apologize. Then I will add the garlic, brown sugar, and soy sauce. It's a small amount. I'll be able to use this sauce on something else. So then I add, excuse me for reaching again, gluten-free hot chili sauce. I'm gonna stir it up. This is real chili and chili oil. So I'm just gonna add a few drops. Not too much because everybody don't like their food over too overheated or whatever. I'm gonna add a drop of oil to help smooth out the two ingredients, because you don't want the sauce to be strong. You just want it to blend smoothly with your taste buds. And I will add some water. Once again, you want to blend it. You want to make it smooth. You don't want it to be thick and cakey. You don't want it to cake onto your meat. You want it to, you know, have a harmony with your meats. Harmony, like just blend it. Then I'm going to add, of course, my own gluten-free seasoning. It's a small amount. There we go. Some garlic. Garlic is always good. And then my gluten-free salt, pepper, and garlic, more garlic. It's not too much garlic though, I know what it looks like. So now I'm going to blend all the ingredients together. Blend it good. You want it to really merge together and be as one. One smooth, delicious. Okay. All right, there we go. Snap, and let me blend it really good. You can use a mixer, you can use wherever you want to, a blender, a mixer. You can even blend it with a fork. Okay. So, this is it right here. And I have a chicken already prepared. So what I would do is, while it's still hot, of course, while the chicken is still hot, you want to take it out of your oven, air fryer, or whatever device you're using, and just brush it on. These steps that I'm showing you will help the sauce stick to the chicken. Then after you coat it, it should look like this. See how it's stick? Look, the chicken's cold and it's still sticking to the chicken. Because it's the way that you blend your sauce that makes it different. Now I'll show you the I'm not going to cook that because I already have some chicken already prepared. So this is the result when you finish cooking. And why not make extra sauce? I'm just going to add it over here. Okay, here we go. But look how beautiful and caramelized my chicken came out without me adding food coloring or anything. Just natural, gluten-free ingredients. Just natural. You don't have to add a lot of preservatives and caramel coloring to get the color you want. Natural ingredients is better because there's nothing fake about your food. So this is the result of gluten-free chicken with gluten-free ingredients. Gluten-free ingredient. My own gluten-free, salt-free ingredients. The reason why I make my own seasoning, because when I go purchase seasoning from the store, I notice they use more salt in their seasoning than I would like. So I decided to mix up my own seasoning without salt. So when I'm ready to use salt, I can use the amount I want, not the amount that they put inside seasoning, just to take up more space and it cheats you out your real seasoning taste. All right, I'm sorry for taking up your time. All right, Mama Cindy 59, gluten-free kitchen, all day, every day. I'm going to cook all kinds of dishes. That's why I'm calling it a kitchen. Because in the kitchen, you cook everything under the sun. All right, thank you.